You won't believe what happened to me today. Um, when I was feeding the stray cats in my patio, um, I saw a little dark thing in my patio, and I said, but there were a wing out. And I said, but it's not that the bird that I just buried? And then when I went and see the hole, it was like a little tiny hole that someone removed the bird and put it in the patio where I was feeding the cats. And that really kind of freaked me out because I thought, well, maybe a bird, the mom bird, took him out, a cat or a raccoon. But I saw it was a tiny like hole where he was, exactly where he was. And then it caught my attention because there were a bird, a black bird in the tree, and it was like chirping, like calling for the bird. I'm very spiritual, and I believe in the spiritual world. Um, However, I know that some people don't believe that, and we will find a scientific answer for that, and it's okay. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. So I called my husband to help me out to bury the bird again because it really freaked me out. It's not to scare me. It's just I just was wondering what happened, and then he helped me to put him in the same place, and I buried him again, hoping that no one will dig him out again. Maybe raccoon comes usually on my front. Who knows? So maybe it's a spiritual thing. I'm not sure. I'm very spiritual, but the other part of my family is not. So they're telling me maybe it's a raccoon, maybe it's a cat, maybe it's someone else. But since I did a prayer yesterday, and I said, please show me that you're okay and that you are alive again. And this morning, when I went to the patio, like I said, I saw him laying down with his wing out, and I knew that he was. And then when I looked at him, the hole was really well made, really tiny hole.